Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
So the reason why we are here, when you are selected in this for the state to represent nationals, it's a good feeling, no? Children, when you are selected, it's a good feeling. So the reason why we are here is we want to appreciate and honor Pasha. Pasha is the only person from India. Pasha is the only person from India invited by the Uzbekistan Cycling Federation to do an elite national commissioner's course in Uzbekistan. So this course is an international course conducted by the UCI. Once you pass this course, he will be eligible to officiate in international tournaments, even Olympics. He is the only one from India that was invited by the Uzbekistan Federation. However, they provide boarding, lodging, and the air ticket was supposed to be booked by him. But the Cycling Federation of India not only appreciated the move of Uzbekistan Cycling Federation, but they also sponsored the ticket, and the Cycling Federation of India is giving the ticket to go and do this course. That is one achievement. The next achievement is there was no replacement for race secretary. It's a race secretary's job is a commissioner, like a referee, who does all the paperwork, the results, the classification, the start sheets, everything that you see on paper is done by the race secretary. That is the job of a race secretary. So for the last 10 years in India, there was only one person who could do this job. That is, he is an employee of Cycling Federation of India. That is Vinay Kumar Singh. So there was no replacement found for him for the last 10 years. 2-3 people were tried, but they could not manage or cope with the work. However, the National Federation, Cycling Federation of India, gave Pasha an opportunity in the track nationals. He done outstandingly well. So he was also given the same job at the road nationals, and I think that will be a permanent job for him now in every nationals. So it is a great privilege for us. I feel proud when any member of ours achieves something, not only the children, even any member achieves something. It is a great feeling. I think everyone get that feeling. So he has been instrumental in doing a lot of work. There is something called national ranking. Each rider, we have more than 1,000 riders in India. We have almost 1,500 riders in India. Every one of them has a ranking procedure. This ranking procedure, all the paperwork is done by Pasha. It's a very difficult job because you have to take all the results and you have to compile the results, and then you have to give this pointing system. He is the one who devised this method, and he does all the ranking. So everyone who is ranked in India, it is done by Pasha. So he does a lot of work behind the scene, behind the screen. So today we wanted to honor him, and along with him, we also want to honor 2 other people, because we did not get the opportunity so far to really honor them for their achievements as well. So did I forget anything? Yeah, so it's a great feeling. I am very proud when anyone does something good. So he will be leaving on the 14th of this month for Uzbekistan. He will be returning on the 20th after the course. I am very sure that he will not only pass the course, but he will top the class. This is the expectation I have. So we are here to wish him all the very best and come back with flying colors. So he will become an international commissioner, where there's a lot of international tournaments that he will be called for, and he can represent India at various different international tournaments in the capacity of officiating. So Pasha, we wish you all the very best. On behalf of MTCWA, I wish you all the very best. And before that, I would like to call upon 2 other people who has also achieved something from a association. I would like to call upon Dawal Matthew please come here. And Patricia, please come. We would like to. So all of you know that these two people also have passed the level 1 examination for coaches. So this is a certificate from the National Federation, the Cycling Federation of India, and from the next nationals, only certified people with a certification from the Cycling Federation of India will be allowed to accompany the state team as a coach, as a manager, or in any capacity. So as of now, we have 3 people in our state who is qualified for this job. That is 2 of them, and 1 is Yadgiri. So we have only 3 in the state. So if this rule is seriously implemented from the next coming year, they will be given the offer to go with the team as coach, manager for every till other people do the course, and this number increases. So I would like to call upon Kushal to honor Pasha. First नहीं करेगा. Yeah. नहीं आप पहले डालो. I would like to call upon Sridhar and Srikanth to please come and put a shalva for Dawal Matthew. Okay.
Thank you.
I would like to call upon Lindsay and Lauren to do the honors for Patricia. I would now request Pasha to just say a few words, followed by Dawal and then by Patricia. Please.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you so
All the best and
next మీరు కూడా చేయాలి. Thank you so much. First of all, I thank Dr. Maxwell Trevor garu. He has been very instrumental in my life. If today what all praises he has made, more than 80% credit goes to him. I am just because I never in my dream 6 years ago I never thought that I will do something what I am doing today in the field of cycling and also in my life. Today is the opportunity and platform for me to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Maxwell Trevor and Doreen Trevor, because I started my journey with him as a coach. He was my coach, like all of you. I came for track cycling training, and the first day I hated him a lot because of his training schedule. మీతో ఎట్లా ఉన్నారో అట్లా కాదు. ఒక టైంలో మీరు చాలా లక్కీ, చాలా ప్రేమగా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. 1 minute లేట్ వచ్చినా కానీ ఈ గ్రౌండ్ చుట్టూ తిరగటమే. అండ్ హీ వాజ్ సో స్ట్రిక్ట్. ఆ రోజు ట్రైనింగ్ అయితే ఇవ్వరు, ఒక్క నిమిషం లేట్ అయినా. నేను కూడా అప్పుడు హైటెక్ సిటీలో ఉండేవాడిని, అండ్ నాకు లోకల్ కమ్యూట్లో ఈ ఎంఎంటీఎస్ స్టేషన్ ఒకటే దగ్గర. ఆ ట్రైన్ ఒక్కోసారి లేట్ అవుతుంది, ఆయన ఏం పట్టించుకోడు. నైట్ 11-12 వరకు వర్క్ చేసుకొని వస్తాము, ఆయనకు అదేం సంబంధం లేదు. నాకు మార్నింగ్ 6 ఉండాలంటే 6 ఉండాలి, నువ్వు ఎట్లా వస్తావో నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. బికాజ్ అప్పుడు చాలా కోపం వచ్చేది, ఏంటి నా అసలు అర్థం చేసుకోడు, హ్యూమన్ కాదా, అలా కూడా డౌట్ వచ్చింది ఒకసారి. సో బట్ లేటర్ వాట్ ఐ రియలైజ్, వాట్ హీ వాజ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు టీచ్ మీ ఈజ్ డిసిప్లిన్. 2 is the importance of warm-up. నువ్వు లేట్ వస్తావు, ఈ లోపల వేరే పిల్లలు వార్మప్ అయిపోతుంది, నీ వార్మప్ డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది, వాళ్ళకి డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ హ్యావింగ్ సెడ్ ఆల్ దట్, 11-11:30 వరకు ఆయన నా ట్రైనింగ్ ఫినిష్ అయ్యే వరకు ఉండేవాడు. అప్పుడు వీవర్ 15-20 athletes అంతవరకే. అప్పుడు వాటర్, చాయ్ తెచ్చిచ్చేవాళ్ళు కూడా లేరు, అప్పుడు ఎవరు లేరు. మేమందరం, ఆయన ఎండలో కూర్చోడానికి చైర్ కూడా లేదు అప్పుడు. హీ యూస్ టు స్టాండ్ టిల్ 11 o'clock. అక్కడ ఎక్కడైతే మనం ఇప్పుడు నుంచొని డిస్కషన్ పెడతామో అదే ఆయన ప్లేస్, లేదంటే అక్కడ. సో 11-11:30 అయ్యేది. దాని తర్వాత ఒకవేళ టైమింగ్ మంచిగా ఇస్తే బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ట్రీట్ అయినది. ఆ రోజు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ లేదంటే మనం ఏదో చేసాం గడపడానికి. వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్ దట్ సైడ్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ సైడ్. మీరు చాలా ఫార్చునేట్. దోస్ స్మాల్ ఇన్స్టెన్సెస్ made me curious to know what kind of person he is. I did not know what work he was doing for the underprivileged children. అప్పుడు అంత ఐడియా లేదు. సో slowly I got to know about him. As a cyclist, you need not have a description about him. మేమందరం ఆయన గురించి తెలుసుకొని వచ్చాము. గూగుల్, యూట్యూబ్, wherever you search, he is there. But as a person, how he is, what kind of work he is doing, adi telusukune curiosity lo I got to know about this academy. And I was very surprised to see that last appude 10 years mundu nunchi chestunaru ina. Evarki teliyadu kuda. Only handful of his known close people knows that. Ippudu almost 17 years avutundi. Developing athletes, ఎంతోమంది రైల్వే సైక్లిస్టులు అండర్ హిస్ కోచింగే వెళ్ళారు. అండ్ ఆల్ దట్ గుడ్ వర్క్ హీ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ నోబడీ నోస్. సో ఐ జాయిన్డ్. ఐ సెడ్ ఐ విల్ ఆల్సో హెల్ప్ యూ సార్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ మై కెపాసిటీ. సో అట్లా ఒక టీమ్ ఫామ్ అయింది. అండ్ వాట్ అ జెమ్ ఆఫ్ అ పర్సన్ హీ ఈస్. ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ జర్నీలో, I am in the field of legal industry. I meet thousands of people every week. We can judge people. Okay, 5 minutes discussion lo maka capacity undi. Lawyers know that. So Dr. Maxwell Trevor is such a pure hearted person. Mundu lopala baita anta okate. His idea is to promote cycling. He's so passionate. Meer andaru chusaru. Every single day he is at velodrome. If he is not at Cycling Federation duty, he is always at velodrome. And secondly, what I have observed is coaching okate kaadu. Pillalu oka stage vachaka, he also encourages them how they can grow in their life. If it is not cycling, something else. But he is always there as a mentor, guidance, a moral support, not only to me, for everybody. I was lucky enough that I happened to be closely associated with him. అది నాకు ఒక డెస్టినీ రాసి పెట్టుంది, క్లోజ్గా అసోసియేట్ అవ్వాలని. And when I ended my cycling career as an athlete, in fact I will blame him for that, because I broke my collarbone a day before nationals and it took me 2 months to recover. Then I sat with him and he said, don't do it, ఆపేసే. ఆ రోజు కూడా హేట్ చేశా. What kind of coach he is asking me to stop. ఆ టైంలో I thought he is making sense what he is saying, because we had 2 hours of discussion and he made sure that I dropped cycling. But he had other plans which I never knew, which he was in the back of the mind, he was thinking about me. Talent identification is not just here, he does everywhere. So he said, you are good with, because you have this education background, it will help you if you come on the technical end as an official. దానికి ఒక కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది, you do it and I am sure you will pass, you will clear that easily. That is the life you should follow. సో 6 నెలల వరకు ఏం అర్థం కాల, ఎందుకు ఈయన ఇట్లా అన్నారు, ఒక కోచ్ సైక్లింగ్ ఆపేయమంటున్నాడు. But after 6 months, when the Asian Championship course came up, I did that. In fact, I was placed second in the course, and for that, he invested 4-5 hours every day to teach me, because I didn't know anything. సైక్లింగ్ తొక్కటం ఒకటే తెలుసు, రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్ ఎవరికి తెలుస్తుంది. సో ఆ బుక్ కూడా 300 pages ఉన్నాయి. 1 weekలో హీ ప్రిపేర్డ్ మీ అండ్ హీ మేడ్ షూర్ ఐ టాప్ ఆల్సో. సో దట్ వాజ్ ద బిగినింగ్, అండ్ హీ టోల్డ్ మీ దట్ sky is the limit for you, I know you will do it. That day it didn't make sense for me, but today, whatever I am today in the field of cycling, in Cycling Federation of India, it's all because of his vision, what he had for me. And not just for me, I feel he feels the same for all the athletes. I travel with him. When he's not here, we also travel for the events. Constantly, his mind is processing about every athlete. I know that. ఒక్కొక్క అథ్లీట్ గురించి ఆయన ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. వాట్ నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ టైమింగ్స్, లాస్ట్ వీక్ ఏం టైమింగ్ వచ్చింది, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఏంటి. సో హీ ఈస్ కాన్స్టెంట్లీ ప్రాసెసింగ్ దట్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆల్ థింక్ దట్ హీ ఈస్ నాట్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ యూ, యూర్ రాంగ్. If there is a person 365 days, minute to minute, hour to hour, thinking about cycling, that is him only. About his athletes, in fact about the parents also, how we can improvise, how we can motivate parents is what he always processes. And I am very grateful to Dr. Maxwell Trevor that he has pushed me and showed me a path. I have my daily job profession, but this is something I am doing with passion. And he said, one day your passion will become your paycheck also. It's just matter of time. Cut to cut, 2.5-3 years now. It's a different story for me. It's a new chapter that is opening. 2025 had a great opening for me. This Uzbekistan thing was going on since Puri Nationals, and everything was as if it was written for me, because it is not that easy to get nominated for something like this. And secondly, one thing I always would like to communicate me andarki is gratitude. No matter what I achieve in my life, what I achieve in cycling, I will never be able to match to his level, because he is the legend. He is the greatest cyclist. అది అసలు కాదు, అది కాని పని. That is reality, and you have to stay grounded. What you achieve, maybe his time it was not there, but today the generation has changed, technology has come in, so the youth may get multiple and better opportunities which he might not have. But the contribution he has done to cycling is unimaginable, because మీలో చాలామంది నేషనల్స్కి వచ్చారు. I know all the coaches who train in the country, from the Indian national coach to NCOE coaches. First of all, what I have observed in these years is nobody dares to train athletes from 6 to 12 years in the entire country. In cycling is what I am talking. First of all, nobody has given that attempt. Nobody wants to take that headache of dealing with children. It is easy to coach somebody who is above 14 years. It's very easy because they understand what it is. వాళ్ళ మైండ్ కూడా ప్రాసెస్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ కన్వీనియంట్ ఫర్ ద కోచ్ టు కమ్యూనికేట్, అండ్ పేరెంట్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ కూడా ఎక్కువ ఉండదు. అప్పుడు పిల్లలు వాళ్ళే వచ్చేస్తారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఇండియాలో ఈ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్స్కి కోచింగ్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఎవరు ముందుకు రారు. సెకండ్ ఈజ్ ద డెడికేషన్ అండ్ ద టైమ్ హీ గివ్స్ ఫర్ నో ప్రాఫిట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ పార్ట్. ఐ థింక్ హీ డిజర్వ్స్ అ క్లాప్ ఫర్ దట్. కాదు, 17 years నుంచి చేస్తున్నాడు ఆయన. దట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ బిగ్ థింగ్ వితౌట్ ఈవెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. యాజ్ హీ ఆల్వేస్ సేస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ థ్యాంక్లెస్ జాబ్. థ్యాంక్లెస్ జాబ్ అంటే మనకు అర్థం కాదు అది, కానీ అది చేసే వాళ్ళకి అర్థమవుతుంది. అండ్ ఐ విల్ కమ్ టు దట్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ థ్యాంక్లెస్ జాబ్. Sir, I will take little long to mention, but please.
They are waiting.
Yeah, this is the opportunity. Endukante parents are also there. I want to express. Also, I come hardly. So, what I was saying is, 365 days, day in, day out, ఈ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్స్కి కోచింగ్ ఇవ్వడం కూడా పెద్ద హెడేకే. మీ అందరూ తెలుసు, మీ పిల్లలు మీరు డీల్ చేస్తున్నారు. Hundreds of kids dealing by one person is different task. And kids, it's a evolving stage, it's a growth stage, lot of psychological thing. And if you say something wrong, they'll get depressed. And it's a lifetime damage also. If they take it in a wrong way, it remains forever because they are fragile, they are so innocent, they don't understand. Alanti pillalni motivate chesta and make the kids love him. I don't see any kid hating him except for me when we were there, because he's so loving. ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏ అబ్బాయి కూడా ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ సార్, నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు అని ఏడవటం కానీ అట్లా ఏం లేదు. వెన్ ఎవర్ దే ఆర్ ఇన్ ద వెలోడ్రోమ్, దే ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ excited to train, excited to play, excited to. So that's the best part of Dr. Maxwell Trevor in the entire country, that he can engage 6 to 12 years age group very well. If he can do this, he can do anything in the world. That is అసలు అందులో పాయింట్ బ్లాంక్ చెప్పాల్సిందే. And his endeavor and also the association's endeavor, including Laurent Trevor's effort, that we want to tap this young age group. Today, if you see the camp selection also, in a federation perspective, federation is looking for young talent. They don't want somebody who is 16 years, 18 years, because వాళ్ళతో ఎంత అని వర్క్ చేయగలరు. Because Olympic project is 8 years. 16 yearsకి పిల్లల్ని తీసుకుంటే 8 yearsకి వాళ్ళకి పెళ్ళి ఏజ్ కూడా అయిపోతుంది. సో there is no point. They want raw talent from 12 years onwards. బట్ 12 yearsకి సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే వాళ్ళలో ఫిజికల్ ఎబిలిటీ ఉండాలి. ఆ ఎబిలిటీ ఎవరు డెవలప్ చేస్తారు? స్పోర్ట్స్ అథారిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలో ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లేదు వాళ్ళకి. సో దే వాంట్ టు సెలెక్ట్ 12 years and above, but they have a selection criteria. But how do you bring your athletes to that level? There is no program for that, and there is no coaching center also for that. Now, since last 5 years, the only academy that is doing in the entire country is MTCWA. Today, yes, recently I was talking to one of the deputy directors of Sai Bangalore, and in fact they also mentioned that, sir, atan telugu atane. So he was talking to me, sir, నాకు తెలిసి ఈ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్కి సైక్లింగ్లో ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చేది మేము ఎప్పుడు వినలేదు, చూడలేదు కూడా. ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. అండ్ దే అప్రిషియేటెడ్ ది డెప్యూటీ డైరెక్టర్ రీజనల్ సెంటర్ బెంగళూరులో ఉంది, సౌత్ రీజనల్ సెంటర్. హీ వాజ్ అప్రిషియేటింగ్ దట్ నౌ ఎవ్రీ NCI center we go, there is one MTCW athlete. That is the achievement. In the last 4 years, 5 years, if we are able to feed these centers, that means we are on the right track. I understand we do not have the resources like Sports Authority of India, national camp level resources undakapochu, but we have Maxwell Trevor, which they don't have. That's the difference. Infrastructure,
Which they borrow from us for
yes,
time to time.
they borrow. And by the way, because many of you don't know, I will next, but no, I have to say, many of you don't know, Cycling Federation of India has been requesting him since last 4 or 5 years to take the charge of chief coach of Indian team. But he said, मैं हैदराबाद छोड़ के मेरे बच्चों को छोड़ के नहीं आ सकता. Now they observed it for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and finally they also gave up and said, all right, you don't come, we will give the center to you. We will give it. Now that is in the process, but the process has started. And Cycling Federation of India have the chief coach Kevin. Right now they have inducted since 1 year, doing a fantastic job. But he is an Olympic champion, world champion. Interestingly, Kevin knows the achievements of Dr. Maxwell Trevor. And the best part is, I have seen in Chennai Track Nationals, Kevin was in consultation with Maxwell sir how to tap this young talent, and Max sir made few suggestions. And as you all are aware that we are fortunate that our watt bike was used for selection of that young talent. And do they know which stunts are?
No, we'll not. I'll get to that.
Ah.
I'll.
So there's something surprising thing also coming up in future. So many athletes were tested. So the method what we are doing, the chief coach also adapted the same suggestion, and they did the selection trial there also. The national NIS coaches who are employed at Sports Authority of India are actually trained by Dr. Maxwell Trevor. So the coaches are trained by him. Thirdly,
थोड़ा thank you बोलने के लिए 2 मिनट चाहिए मेरे को.
please give. It's my moment. It's an honor to receive the shawl from him, so it's my moment. లేదు మీరు ఆగాలి ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు మీరు కూర్చోండి. So no, because this is the platform I can express. And sorry if you are getting late. Please get late for 10 minutes today. It's worth it. And not only in terms of cycling, as a mentor, as a guidance to me, what I have, he has never given me any lecture on anything. It is what I observed from him, how he respects his coach. I was fortunate enough to talk to his coach also, Sri Mumtaz ji, and it is his coach who told me about him on a long call once. How respectful, how dedicated, how focused he was, and his success speaks. We don't have to talk about it. But what I learned from my coach, from Dr. Maxwell Trevor, is he's still in touch with his coach, by the way. And he was the only coach he had. That shows his attachment to the coach. Even today he talks to his coach. Sukh, Dukh. You may have bad training sessions, you may have bad nationals, you may have bad events. But he always stayed with his coach. That is what a coach also likes. Because today you got that success, now you want to leave. What is the motivation for a coach? Now, because you guys became coach, you will understand. For an athlete, the motivation is I got the medal. I achieved something now, I got selected in the camp, I will move on. But what is the motivation for coach? For somebody who doesn't charge also. Coaches have different agendas. Somebody wants to make money, somebody wants to do well, somebody wants to do both also. Money and achievements. But somebody who does it for free, I don't know what is the motivation for him. But I have slowly realized the motivation factor for him is his athletes. And he always tells me, irrespective of they do well in cycling or not, I want to see them doing well in the life. And that is what he wishes for me also.
I'll take over.
I think so. No. Sorry.
2-3 announcements.
Okay, you do that.
One more, I'd like to call upon Bindya. Bindya is in the national camp. She is here because of an injury. She is recovered. I would also like to call upon all those winners from the girls at the CM Cup and the Women's League CM's Cup. Please come forward. Boys, all those who represented the state at nationals, please come. All those who represented the state at nationals. Hey, Noora. Yes. So why I call upon them? You have to be motivated by them. You have to not only play for your state, you have to also represent your state at the national camp. Now one more announcement I have to make, that in the recent selection at Trivandrum, Bridgeton was selected for the national camp. His name is not officially come yet, but it will be, I think it's not come yet, yeah, but it will be coming. It's I know because I'm in the panel. So he is also selected for Trivandrum national camp. Pasha was talking about how strict I was with them. That was a different time. I was training athletes only above 12 years. Now we are training athletes 6 years. We have to deal with them differently. All that he spoke about me would not have been possible without the support and help of Lorraine. I would like to call upon Lorraine. For me, it is a passion. For me, it is a passion. Sleep does not matter, food does not matter. But when she is doing it along with me, then it really matters, because this was never a passion. I suppose now it is a passion. Last night we left our... This is unfair. She is getting more claps than me. So last night we actually went to the airport to see our son off. We came back 2:30 in the morning. We slept for 1 hour and we are here. For me it doesn't matter because I love the game. But for her to join me and do these things is really, I appreciate it, and 1 hour sleep she had. So I would like to call upon all the girls, the ladies and girls, to honor Lorraine with a shawl. All the ladies, all the girls.
My message to you, all of you, is as a person what you can learn from him and what benefits you can achieve training at Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association is because now we are the only feeding unit for the camp. The only way to represent the country in cycling at international forum is through camps. And if you want to get inducted in camps, the only way, what I see, believe me, I am telling you a practical experience, it's only MTCW. The classic example is Tari. Many of you know Tari and some are new. In 2 years, Tari came from the remotest part of the Arunachal Pradesh here, first time hopping on the bike, trained here, trained for track, and then got selected in the camp. Camp mein, I think almost 1 year mein, he became the national champion. The only cyclist. And I remember the first time when we saw Tari on track cycle. If I know that he also remembers, I said ये लड़का gold लाएगा आपके लिए, ये लड़का लाके देगा आपको. Talent identification is what we do. He has been doing for years, decades. Likewise, we have observed from summer camps and all that Vaishnavi, Vindhya, we know it's the process you have to believe. For some people, it comes fast because to get a gold medal at national also, the entire universe has to work for you. It's not only the coach and athlete's effort, it is the parents, it is the mindset, it is how much time you are dedicating for rest, recovery. At the same time, you also need to compromise little if you want to achieve something in sport, education. If you want to achieve both, that is a very rare combination. So, Tari is one live example for this year we had, and I congratulate everyone who contributed in Tari's success. Lorraine Trevor, Dr. Maxwell Trevor, it's a great achievement for MTCWA. Not only that, our athletes are shining in the camp, they're doing well in all the events. There's a huge difference. So I want to request you all to hang in there. What I mean is, trust the process, trust the coach, it's just matter of time. Like how they achieved, your son, your child will also achieve it. It is the process you have to believe and endeavor. Your time will come. Secondly, I also want to announce, I am not bragging it, the Cycling Federation of India at the recent annual general meeting honored him for his outstanding contribution in the field of cycling towards the field of cycling to Cycling Federation of India with Lifetime Achievement Award. It's a very prestigious award. Very, very prestigious award. So the entire world is watching. The world is appreciating his effort, everybody's effort. So I request you all to hang in there, stay, because this is the roadway. If you want your child to watch them representing the country at international forum and Olympics, this is the way. I thank Dr. Max.
Thank you, Pasha. Thank you. I request, this is a 500-meter sprint.
Okay.
Your experience, how you came into coaching?
Thank you, sir. I'll make it quick. So I was always into cycling, but it was a pretty solo, very self-passion kind of a thing, a raw kind of a passion for me. Then somehow I came to know about the talent identification. That was the second season, if I am not wrong. And I came here. I found out. I interacted with Maxwell sir, and I think Maxwell sir was the first person whom I asked ki, how to go about it. What is it? This particular competition. He told, very grounded guy, and I cannot be less thankful. I am like every day when I come here to be interacting with him. So I keep telling to my son as well as others as well, you will become a talent. Say for whatever XYZ reason you do not become a cyclist, a national cyclist or something, you will end up being a very good person under Maxwell sir. So that is something very, very important, and that is something which you will never regret. So give your best, and it is my privilege and my honor. So this is my third year running, and many more years, sir, with you.
Yes.
For sure. And I am sure that particular faith will take me to places in terms of taking me. So this level 1 coaching he suggested, he said, yes, you are into cycling, you can. And I was fortunate that I had the time during that particular 10-day session to devote to it. I did that, and he helped me in terms of learning, preparing for the interview. So I think, if I may, Maddie was in hospital. I went to see her, and I asked a doubt. Sir found a tissue paper and started giving notes on that particular tissue paper and said, you should. This is how you should answer. This is how you should prepare yourself." So the kind of dedication comes very natural, very grateful, and please exploit this particular resource that you have free of cost and be grateful. Gratitude always, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It's a privilege standing here and telling you that it's been an amazing journey for me. I started off as a basic parent. It's been 4 years with NPCWA, and every single day has been amazing. And I feel like a proudest mother in the whole world today because my son is selected for Khelo India, which was the least that I expected. Thank you so much for Lorraine ma'am. Thank you so much. Millions of thanks to Maxwell sir. Like his name, Maxwell, he tells you to live your life to the maximum. So be there, live there. As far as my interview was concerned, the CFI who gave me this opportunity to get into the coaching and actually get this certificate, the credit entirely goes to Maxwell sir, because every day I learned it on the ground. There were times when he actually gave me notes verbally, which gave me insight and courage to face the interview one-on-one. When he actually asked me questions, the written test, I was not prepared for any of it. And the best part of all is, I don't believe it that my son can talk so much about sports today. He's very conscious on what he eats. He's very conscious on what we do on a day-to-day basis. So it is a beautiful process. If you stay and consistently stay there, every single morning is a new learning. And I've learned this from 2021 when we joined in NPCWA. Every day teaches you not just eating right, and Lorraine ma'am has taught us also that how you can raise your children right. What is the right steps that you can be friends with your kids. The many times she's taken time to counsel kids. My son has been there, your children have been there. It's amazing. It's been a beautiful journey. I really want to say success means Maxwell sir. Just follow him or keep him as an epitome of example. You will actually grow not just in sport, but as a great human being as well. Thank you very much.
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Besides cycling, I have another passion, which is construction. And I would like to call upon two people who are really helping me in that field as well. I would like to call upon Salim and Keith. These two guys have been a great support to me in the construction line as well. They have been a great support in supporting me in various jobs on the site. We've been together for the last 1.5 months working on the site together. So I would like to thank both of them also for really supporting me, other than cycling, off the cycling velodrome as well. So thank you, Keith. Thank you, Salim. Yeah.
Thank you all very much. I love you all. And together, let's continue to be the wonderful MTCWA family that we are. Cheers.
All right, thank you for coming on a short notice. Actually, నేనే వచ్చాను, మీరు రెగ్యులర్ గానే వస్తున్నారు. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Two more people. Kushal and Sai for all the efforts
Yes.
from Gona. Kushal, please come. And Sai is not only helping in the videos, but is also helping in coaching now. So, and all these people sitting here, they are all a great support. I would love to mention each one of you, but all these parents, please stand. They are all people who really support us beside and beside. So thank you all for all your support. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Srinivas, Sridhar, Srikanth, all of you.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.